Guys, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And on today's video I will be guiding you how to check Yahoo login history. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. In order to log into Yahoo, first of all open up any web browser that you are comfortable with on your desktop, and after that on the search URL type in yahoo.com. Once you press enter on your keyboard, it will take you to the official page of Yahoo. Here, if you have already logged into your account, you will get to see this interface. If not, log into your Yahoo account by providing your correct login credentials. And after that, from this interface, at the upper right hand side, you will see your profile icon. Hover your mouse over there. A dialog box will pop up. Now under account, you will see overview. Click on overview, then you will land on this page. From here at the very top, you will see the menu bar with bunch of menus such as overview, personal info, security and recent activity. So click on recent activity, and on this page you will see all your recent security activity. If you scroll down a bit, there you will get to see your login history. That is your connected device where you have logged into your account. Click on view all connected device, and here you will get to see all your login history. If you found any something suspicious, change your password immediately and secure your account. So that's how you can view your login history on Yahoo. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.